Right. Let's be real. Most of you service-based entrepreneurs are overcomplicating lead generation. What if I tell you that you don't need any fancy funnels, expensive ads, or even a website that nobody visits? Isn't it? In this video, I'm going to break down the simple three-step lead generation system that we use to attract high ticket clients organically through attraction marketing without any tech headaches, without any paid ads, and without wasting time on stuff that does not move the needle in your business. If you want to start getting clients straight from social media, whether you use Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, then this is going to be for you. Stay tuned and watch actually how to make money doing what you love. Right? Are we ready? Shall we get started? Drop yes in the comments. Let's go. Yeah. So a lot of people, like especially coaches and service-based entrepreneurs, they believe that lead generation requires websites, funnel, ad budget, email marketing, automation. How many of you feel that, yes, I do. I do feel like I need this. Without this, I cannot generate leads. If you feel, just drop me in the chat because it's going to be easy for me to understand who all have this, perception of I need this. Okay. What if I tell you today that I, till now, in spite of generating close to 500,000 online from past 2.5 years, I don't have a website? Yeah. What if I tell you that my client Helen, who has already generated $123,000 in the past 6 months, she doesn't have a website? Okay, because you need to understand one thing. Website, funnels, sales pages, all of this needs traffic, right? So you as a personal brand, as a business owner, as a CEO of your own business, you need that presence online. So when people know you, that's when they will go and click on that wonderful website you have created, the beautiful sales page you have. But if people don't know you, they don't click on the links, just on the internet. They really don't click on the links. How many times have you clicked on a link where people say like, hey, this is my website, this is my, sales page, check this out, check this out. How many times have you clicked? Let's be honest. We don't. Do we? We don't. So why do we expect our clients to do? And what if I tell you that just being on social media, you can like literally, convey your message for about, let's say, 18 to 25,000 people on LinkedIn watching you and 18 to 25,000 people on Facebook watching you. And these are like literally my numbers. Without ads, without funnels. Impressions on my posts, impressions on my videos, impressions on my profile itself. So when people start visiting your profile, this is easy for you to do it when you set up your social media itself as in a form of a funnel. A funnel that literally helps you attract your ideal clients. Okay, so I'm just trying to break that myth what people have, and I know a lot of people might still feel that, but the point is, the goal here is to super simplify the effective lead generation system that works even while you sleep. And this will happen in 3-step process. All right. Number 1 is your audience attraction on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok, right? Or the specific forums. If you love blogs, maybe Medium. If you are writing blogs, maybe your own website with SEO. All right. So you need to focus on places where your audience are already congregating. Now, I have seen a lot of people doing this as a biggest mistake. And what they do is their audience are on LinkedIn, but they are mainly focusing on Instagram because they like Instagram. It's not about what I like. It's about where my audience are congregating. Which specific Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups they are congregating? What kind of discussions are they having? What kind of problems do they really have? Yeah, so it's really being active in front of your ideal clients and not vice versa, right? So if you're someone out there who feels like your audience are young, young adults, then maybe, Instagram would be a great platform for you. If you feel like your audience are more elderly people, like above 50, then Facebook would be an ideal platform for you. If you feel like your audience are authors, CEOs, C-suite executives, LinkedIn is the best platform for you. Yeah. So you need to understand where are your ideal clients right now, and you need to be in front of your ideal clients. And that's most important, right? The number two for you to attract your ideal clients is using a compelling, curiosity driven posts that make people want to engage with you. So the goal in our coaching program and the goal for even me, what I do follow is not to go viral, right? Because virality doesn't mean anything if you're not communicating your message to your audience in a right way. So it's really all about talking in a language that can help people understand your message and help them feel like what is in it for them. So it is really all about it's nobody cares about me. Nobody cares about how many people I have worked with, how many testimonials I have. People really care about what can I do for them if they start working with me. That's the same thing with your audience as well. So what can you do for them? What is in it for me? That's what people think. So you need to be able to communicate this in your post, and that's where attraction marketing comes to place, right? The number two key element for you to generate qualified leads is to engage with your audience. And a lot of time, 99% of the time, I have seen people feeling this as the most tedious work, and they just ignore the fact that starting a conversation that can genuinely show that you care about solving their problem is something people need. People want to be heard. People want to be seen. People want to be understood, right? And how can you do this? The simplest way, what we tell our clients to do this is to engage with your audience, just not in the DMs, but start the rapport building in the comments. So as a matter of fact, commenting on other people's profile, especially your ideal client's profile, is what you need to do, because the first step is when you start engaging with other people on social media, they are especially your ideal clients. It's a law of reciprocity. The more you give is the more you get. Yeah. And all the social media platform algorithms work the same way. The more you engage with others, the more you are going to get organic traffic to your profile. And if you have literally set up your profile as in a sales page that attracts your ideal clients, you will have a lot of people, following you, binging on your content. And if you host something like this to really give them value, you will still have people showing up and signing up in your offers. Yeah. The third key point over here is to offering with intention, right? So you need to introduce your solution in a way that it like literally feels natural, and let them know what's possible when they start working with you, and how can you bridge the gap between where they are to where they really want to be. A lot of people like literally struggle bridging this gap between where they are to where they want to be. If you have to take someone on a simplified way, in a super simple way, from point A to point B, how does your offer solve that big problem is so important, right? An offer is not just about how much is your coaching program, how many weeks is it, and what is that they're going to get. An offer is really all about how can I help you get the results on a private jet and not on a broken bus. Does that make sense? To just cut it short. So that is what it is. Like, people don't want to know the process. And I have seen like 95% of the coaches online, they always are stuck with explaining the process of how they do things. Nobody wants to know. They really want to know, like, okay, if I'm going to work with you for 3 months to 6 months, where will I be? Show them where they will be in a result-oriented offer, like a result-oriented offer. Right. So the 3 key step process of the lead generation, that we have, let me just recap. The number 1 is audience attraction. That's on your social media. Second, engage with value. Super important. Offer with intention, right? So leads come from relationships. Yeah. So if you have built a strong relationship with your ideal client, no matter one offer or no matter you have several offers, you will still have people, interested in what you have for them, not just your content. Your content will help you in doing a heavy lifting, but more important is your engagement is more valuable than the fancy marketing tricks. Is this helpful, guys? Do let me know in the comments if this is helpful, and do let me know if you have any questions. All right, I hope this was helpful. You know what to do now. You need to hit that like right away. Drop a comment and subscribe for more videos like this. And listen, if you're serious about getting consistent clients from social media without breaking your bank, and if you really want to build a real predictable income consistently month after month, then check out the link in the description. Feel free to book a call with me and let's map out the strategy that actually works for you in your business as a service-based entrepreneur. I will see you in the next one.